Hi, Sean. My name is Rick Purdy, and I'm the sales manager here with Mercedes-Benz Country Hills. I'm just sitting with Sunny, and I just wanted to thank you very much for reaching out to the dealership here. I understand you're inquiring about our 2012 Acadia that we have here at the dealership. First of all, very, very nice car. One owner vehicle, has a meticulous service history on it. So what I thought I'd do for you real quick, Ryan, is just go through some of the options on it, show you what sort of financing options that we do have on the vehicle because it does qualify for financing, and then also what your vehicle would be worth, your 2008. So basically on this car here, as I mentioned, very nice Acadia SLT all-wheel drive. This one here has a clean car proof, meticulous service history, and I'll show you right here. I'll just bring it up on the car proof. And if you look at this particular vehicle here, it'll show that the car proof has been, there we go. So no damage records found. Local vehicle, so first one in service in July of 2012. One thing I like about the new car proof is that it shows all the regular servicing that's been done on this vehicle. So these people took very, very good care of this particular car. Option-wise on it, this one here being the SLT model, it has the front and rear air conditioning, keyless entry, power mirrors, fog lamps, theft deterrent system, privacy glass, has the roof side rails, the spoiler, intermittent wipers, intermittent rear wiper, cruise control, floor mats, driver information center. So again, very nice, clean, locally owned car. And financing wise, if you want to finance the car, I took a look at your 2008 GMC Yukon XL. Now, obviously, I don't have any pictures or anything of it, Sean, but I had one here a couple of weeks ago, tried to retail out of it, and just with the miles on it, when it gets up to 250,000 kilometers, it's a bit of a tougher sell. So at the end of the day, I would probably end up giving your car to a wholesaler, and they might be able to remarket it on a secondary lot. But based on our particular vehicle, it's on sale right now for $19,500. How I price my units is I scour the market, and based on the mileage and the overall condition of the vehicle, mine is the best priced one and is the best value in Alberta for this particular vehicle. Less your trade of $3,000, your difference would be $16,500 plus the GST. So at the end of the day, Sean, your difference would be $17,325. And if you wanted to finance the car, got a couple of options for you. It all depends what sort of a term you wanted to go for and what sort of a payment range that you're looking for on the vehicle. But if you finance the $17,000, roughly $300, if you look over 4 years with no money down at all, just the equity from your trade, your payment would be $186 biweekly. And if you look at a 5-year term, and I'll just change this to a 5-year term for you real quick. There we go. And on a 5-year term, payment would be $153. So again, chances are what you're putting into your Yukon right now in gas, you're going to make such a huge saving that you'll be able to make the new payment on this vehicle just in the savings that you have on gas alone. So what I'll do, Sean, is I will send this off to Sunny. He'll forward it to you. We'll give you a call here shortly and see if you want to wrap up this vehicle this afternoon. Thanks for thinking of our dealership.